Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic adóiag Rannóg sé an tíre ag díriú isteach ar bheith ag Labhairt. Level A1 topic 12 section 6 the vacation or the holiday focusing on speaking. Agus le múna ag fífrí de chuine cé a bhí leis ar Saoire agus an cheis sin a Ragairt agus tuairimí a lorg agus a thuairt faoin áit. So asking somebody who they were with on vacation or who was with them, answering that question and seeking and giving opinions about a place. Beg an bhilog an tíre cártaí cóluadar uit don chníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout, the vacation, companion cards for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes. Cé a bhí leat. Cé a bhí leat. Who was with you? Cé a bhí leat. Repeat it after me. Cé a bhí leat. Cé a bhí leat. Smuoinnig ar na focail a bhaineann le Gaeilge agus cairde a dabhalann tú go dtí seo, an bhéadtá an cheis sin a Ragairt. So think about the words that have to do with relations and friends that you have learned up to now. Can you answer this question, or could you answer this question? An bhéadtá an cheis sin a Ragairt. Cé a bhí leat. Who was with you? Cé a bhí leat. Who was with you? Ma agus mach. Cad a thorlaíonn. Cad a thorlaíonn nuair a chuireann tú an adíoch sealbhach rith animacal. What happens when you put the possessive pronoun before a noun? Ma agus mach. Ma agus inaíonn. Ma agus athair. Ma agus máthair. Ma agus thabhairt. Ma agus thabhairt. So, an féidir leat iad a scríobh síos. Can you write them down? Agus inis, ma agus mach, mawach. Ninian. Mahir. Mawahir. Mograhar. Mografuir. Mawach. So the adjective sealbhach, possessive pronoun ma, puts a shevu on the noun following it. If it starts with a consonant. If it starts with a vowel, we put M apostrophe. So mawach, nayanin, mahir, mawahir, mograhar, mografur, mar chéile, ma van chéile, ma hismahori, ma forti, ma chailach, ma chlán, ma chara, ma chairde. So my son, my daughter, my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, my husband, my wife, my parents, my partner, my household, my family, my children, my friend, and my friends. Cártaí cóluadar. So companion cards. Nuair a bhí tú ar Laethanta Saoire, cé a bhí leat. So when you were on holidays, who was with you? Féach ar an milleog an tíre cárta cóluadar. So look at the handout, holidays, companion cards. Lig ort féin go raibh tú ar Saoire le éireannach cáiliúil nó duine cáiliúil ar an gcárta agus gur gaol leo iad. So pretend you were on holidays with a famous Irish person or a famous person on the card and that they are a relation of yours. Mar hampla, bhí mo chrachar Liam Neeson lum. So my brother Liam Neeson was with me. So just pretend that the individual is a friend or a family member of yours and create or compose a sentence. Check picture. Sus picture will come up. So Aberlum nuair a bhítear Laethanta Saoire cé a bhí leat. Mar hampla, mi bhí mo grafór Sandra Bullock liom, bhí móncal Pierce Brosnan liom, mi bhí mo grahar Colin Farrell liom, bhí mo grahar Ella Conor McGregor liom. So just make up sentences, add in some family member or friend, and create a sentence. Nuair a bhítear Laethanta Saoire cé a bhí leat. Agus uair amháin Ella, nuair a bhítear Laethanta Saoire cé a bhí leat. Tuair mí a lorg agus a thuairt. So seeking and giving opinions. Tuair mí. Conas tuair mí a lorg agus a thuairt faoin áit a raibh tú ar Saoire. So how to seek opinions and give opinions about the place you were on vacation. Haithin an áit leat. Haithin an áit leat. Did you like the place? Haithin an bia leat. Haithin an bia leat. Did you like the food? Haithin an aimsir leat. Did you like the weather? And the answer, again, haithin or near haithin. So haithin or near haithin. So we'll go through those one more time. Haithin an áit leat. Haithin an bia leat. Haithin an aimsir leat. This time I'll have you answer me. Haithin an áit leat. Haithin an bia leat. Haithin an aimsir leat. Féach struchtúr na ceiste feadh cúpla second. Look at the structure of the question for a couple of seconds. Cad a thugann tú fiara? What do you notice? Haithin an áit leat. Haithin, near haithin. Cur the hug to fiara. What do you notice? Haithin an bia leat. Haithin, near haithin. Haithin an aimsir leat. Haithin, near haithin. So on bríthir taithin, ní úsáidtear may leis an bríthir seo. So we don't use may with this verb. Cuirtear an réamhachal agus an forannam réamhachlach le leis. So we put the preposition and the prepositional pronoun le or leis with it. So taithin plus le, taithin le taithin. Haithin sé liom, haithin sé leat, I liked it, you liked it. Haithin sé leis, he liked it. Haithin sé lei, she liked it. Haithin sé linn, haithin sé live, haithin sé leo. So on the left-hand side we have the singular, and then on the right-hand side we have the plural. First person singular, lum. First person plural, linn. Second person singular, leat. Second person plural, live. And leis and lei, and then leo for the plural. So lum, leat, leis, lei, linn, live low. Nish, fragger an cheist. Answer the question. Hahan an áit leat. Hahan an bia leat. Hahan an aimsir leat. Cad a cheapan tú faoi rial maidir le ceistena a chur san aimsir chaite. So what do you think the rule is for putting questions in the past tense? So tá sampla anseo. So you have an example here. Hahan an áit leat, hahan an bia leat, hahan an aimsir leat. An aimsir chaite, the past tense. Úsáid agus níor san aimsir chaite. So we use and near in the past tense for regular verbs. Ghurtig tú. Ghurtig, near a ghurtig. Did you injure? Bhris tú. Did you break? Bhris, near bhris. Jaar tú. Did you cut it? Jaar tú. Jaar, near jaar. So again, agus near, agus buineann tú úsáid as séimhiú san aimsir chaite, and we use a séimhiú in the past tense. Cuirtear séimhiú chunsan san aimsir chaite. We put a séimhiú on a consonant in the past tense. Agus cuirtear D apostrophe rib ruti agus F. And we put D apostrophe before vowels and F. Agus inis féach na samplaí san aimsir chaite. And now look at the examples in the aimsir chaite. Fan, to stay, on, dan, near on. Taten, hahan an áit leat, hahan, near hahan. Chas, to meet, chas to chas, near chas. Ol, to drink, ol to or ol to, did you drink? Dol, near ol. To eat, to, de, near An aimsir chaite. Agus séimhiú an mríthair. So and a séimhiú on the verb. Fan, an tú, near on, dan. Sorry, I got that one backwards. Tahan, hahan, an áit leat, hahan, near hahan. Chas, chas tú, chas, near chas. Ol, ol tú. Dol, near ol. Tú. De, near So pause the video for a moment and read through these by yourself. Sin an tlí a gcuirtear ceist san aimsir chaite agus bhór na mríthaire sa Gaeilge. So that's how we put a question in the past tense for the majority of verbs in Irish. Tá roinnt bríothar neamhréalta ann, agus seo ceann a bhfuil feice agat hana féin. So there are several irregular verbs, and here's one that you have already seen. En route to Spain. Were you in Spain? Bhí ní rá. So the verb be is very irregular. So en route to Spain or en route to Spain, bhí ní rá. Agus inis, éis leis na ceistena seo agus freagar iad. Listen to these questions and answer them. An ráilta Laethanta Saoire imlíana? Ól tú sangria nuair a bhí tú sa Spáin? Tú haggis nuair a bhí tú in Alban? An tú I dteach Saoire? And if you remember correctly, when we respond with a question, we use the emphatic form or tú féin. An rá tosa Laethanta Saoire imlíana? nó an ráil tú féin ar Laethanta saoire im léana. Ar ól tusa sangria nuair a bhíotas sa Spáin, nó ar ól tú féin sangria nuair a bhíotas sa Spáin. Ar tusa haggis nuair a bhí tú in Alban, ar an tú féin I dteach saoire. And again, you have the notes on the handout, so practice reading through all of these by yourself in your own time. Beag an bhilneog an tíre críochnaigh na ceistena uairt an chníomhaíoch seo, so you'll need the handout, the holiday, finish the questions for this activity. Críochnaigh na ceistena seo leanas leis na bríomhara chuí, so finish the following sentences with the appropriate verb. An sin, come ceist the wine nua. Then, compose one new question. Lé na ceistena go léir amach os ord. Read all of the questions out loud. Freagar na ceistena ó bhéal, so answer the questions orally yourself. Críochnaigh na ceistena, má tá partner nó study buddy agat, déan cleachta mar seo a leanas. So if you have a partner or a study buddy, practice as follows. Chuirg duine é ceistena hain go dtí a sé, agus a cheist féin ar dhuine B. So person A will ask questions 1 to 6 and their own question of person B. Agus tuairg duine B freagraí ar na ceistena sin, and person B will answer those questions. Éis go géir le freagraí duine B, listen carefully to the answers of person B. An sin, chuirg duine B ceistena a seacht go dtí a dóideag, agus a cheist féin ar dhuine A. And then person B will ask questions 7 to 12 and their own question of person A. Tuairg duine A freagraí ar na ceistena sin. Éis go géir le freagraí duine A. So person A will answer the questions, listen carefully to their answers. Déan iarracht úsáid a bhaint as an tSaoire garamach nuair a bheidh na ceistena á gurglaibh. So make an effort to use the vocative case when you're asking questions. For example, a hamish ar ól tú fian nuair a bhí tú sa rank. A hamish, and you notice we put a shevu and we slenderize the end of the masculine noun. Ar ól tú fian nuair a bhí tú sa rank. Did you drink wine when you were in France? Críochnaigh na ceistena freagraí. Iver a haon, ar ól tú fian nuair a bhí tú sa rank. Iver a dó, ar hahan an áit leat. Iver a trí, ar tú patatas bravas nuair a bhí tú sa Spáin. Iver a ceathair, ar an tú in óstán nó imrú. Iver a cuaig, ar chas tú ar dhaoine deasa nuair a bhí tú ann. Iver a sé, an ráil tú ar Laethanta saoire in Éireann. Iver a seacht, ar ól tú úsáid nuair a bhí tú sa chraig. Iver a hocht, ar hahan an áit agus an bí a leat. Iver an lí, ar tú sicín basc nuair a bhí tú I Biarritz. Iver a de, ar an tú I Bobal nó a Garbhán. Iver a hendiaach, ar chas tú ar dhaoine áitiúla nuair a bhí tú ann. Iver a dóideag, an ráil tú ar Laethanta saoire sa roimh. Beag an bhilneog an tíre Brontanas de bhríomhara uait den chníomhaíoch seo. So you'll need a handout, Brontanas de bhríomhara, a gift of verbs for this activity. Brontanas de bhríomhara, a gift of verbs. Tá go leor bríomhara clúdaithe, so there are a bunch of verbs hidden. Teacaigh bríomhar suas ar an sleamhnán. So a verb will come up on the screen. Bagairt ceist de chuma leis an rithar atá ar an gcárta agus an sin an cheist sin a ragart. So you will have to compose a question with the verb that comes up on the card or on the screen, and then you will need to answer that question. An sin teachig bríothar eile, and then another verb will come up. Lean ar aghaidh mar sin go dtí nach bhfuil aon bhríothar fágtha. So continue on like that until there are no more verbs. So basically a verb will pop up and you have to create a question with it and answer it and continue on. Níl cead aon athrá a dhéanamh, so you can't repeat any of them. So in cead ceann, fan, all, I, cos, cahin, bí, immer, ca. So you might want to pause the video and possibly write down your sentences, or you can do it orally. Adjectives, adjectives. Déan ransú intine na hadiachtaí a úsáid agus tú ag labhairt faoi Laethanta Saoire. So brainstorm the adjectives you would use when you're speaking about vacation or holidays. Tuair na méid nó hó chun é sé dhéanamh. So take a minute or two to do that. Pause the video while you make a list. Scríomh na hadiachtaí ar fad síos. So write all the adjectives down. Agus adjectives, adjectives. So here we have a few. Das, nice. All in, beautiful. Saoire, cheap or inexpensive or free. For, cold. Cordial, friendly. Dear, expensive. Te, hot or warm. Agus fliach, wet. So das, all in, saoire, for, cordial, dear, te, fliach. I'm sure you got many more on your list. An féidir leat anamachal an ascail le gach ceann de na hadiachtaí atá ar an glór. So can you connect a noun to each one of those adjectives that were on the screen? Mar shampla, saoire, so we could connect food. Bhí an bia saoire, the food was inexpensive. Déan iarracht abertí amlána a chruthú. So make an effort to create complete sentences. Mar shampla, we could have for agus aimsir, bhí an aimsir for. The weather was cold. And you can pause the video here while you create your sentences. And here we have some examples. I'll have you repeat them after me. Bhí an áit das. Bhí na daoine cordial. Bhí an bia saoire. Bhí an deoch dear. Bhí an aimsir te. I'll have you repeat these after me. Bhí an aimsir fliach. Bhí an tóstáin mór. Bhí an caraván beag. Bhí an trá fada. Réimíreanna, prefixes. An bhfuil éon réimíreanna ar eolas agat an ar féidir leat a chur roimh na hadiachtaí. So do you know any prefixes you could put in front of the adjectives? Chuimhnig an agus ró, so think about, remember an agus ró. Féach topic a cethair, teach agus lóistín, agus topic a 11, éadaí agus sipadóra. So if you need to look back and review topic 4 and topic 11. Anis, an féidir leat na habartí céanna a rá ach leg an agus ró rith na hadaíochtaí. So can you say the same sentences but with an or ró in front of the adjectives? And remember the rules for using an agus ró. Cadíad na rialacha a déan le ró agus an. Ró, too much of something, an, very or a lot of something. Cuireann na réimireanna se séimhú ar thús chunsa na hadaíochta. So these prefixes put a séimhú on the initial consonant of the adjectives. Ní chuireann an séimhú ar adíocht a chosíonn le DTS, so an does not put a séimhú on adjectives that start with DT or S. Ní féidir séimhú a chur ar chuta ar nói, mar sin ní bhíonn aon athrú tar éis na réimireanna seo ar adíocht a chosíonn le guta. So you can't put a séimhú on a vowel, so there's no change to adjectives that start with a vowel. The an áit an das, and if you remember correctly, we use a hyphen with on, but we do not use a hyphen with ró unless it's in front of a vowel. The an áit rójas. The nadini an chordúil. The nadini cro chordúil. The an bia an Saoire. The an bia róthir. The an diach an déir. The an diach róthir. The an aimsir an te. The an aimsir róthe. The an aimsir an liach. The an aimsir róliach. The an tóstán an mhór. The an tóstán rómhór. The an caravan an bheag. The an caravan róbheag. The an trá an ada. The an trá ró ada. Agus sin deireadh le Rannóg an tSaoire, and that's the end of section 6, the vacation. Ag fífrí de chuine cé a bhí leis, asking somebody who was with them Saoire on vacation, agus an cheis sin a ragart, and answering that question, agus tuairimí a lorg agus a thuairt faoin áit, and asking opinions and giving opinions about a place. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na quizle, suíomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas, the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, as cead a thuairt dom, úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.